While you sleep, your brain is performing a violent, high-pressure cleaning cycle that is literally the difference between cognitive longevity and early-onset neurodegeneration. Imagine a city that never picks up its trash. Eventually, the infrastructure collapses. Your brain is that city, and sleep is the only janitor. In this deep dive into the biohacking of sleep, we are using advanced 3D medical animation to visualize the glymphatic system, the brain's secret waste management network that only activates when you are unconscious. If you have ever pulled an all-nighter or struggled with chronic insomnia, you need to see what is happening to your neurons right now. This is the definitive 2026 scientific guide to sleep deprivation, brain health, and the cellular reality of rest. To understand why we sleep, we must look at the metabolic cost of being awake. Throughout the day, your neurons are firing billions of electrical signals, creating a byproduct called adenosine. This is the molecule responsible for sleep pressure. But even more dangerous are the toxic proteins like amyloid beta and tau. These are the same proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease and dementia. During the day, the space between your brain cells is tightly packed, making it impossible for these toxins to be cleared out. However, as you enter deep NREM sleep, a remarkable biological transformation occurs. Your brain cells actually shrink by up to 60%, increasing the interstitial space and allowing cerebrospinal fluid to rush through like a high-pressure garden hose, flushing these neurotoxins into the circulatory system to be filtered by the liver. This process is the core of human biohacking. When you cut your sleep short, you are effectively leaving a layer of toxic sludge on your brain cells. This leads to neuroinflammation, which explains the brain fog, irritability, and cognitive decline associated with poor sleep hygiene. In our 3D visualization, you can see the microglial cells, the immune defenders of the brain, switching from repair mode to inflammatory mode when sleep is restricted. This cellular stress triggers a cortisol spike, which further disrupts your circadian rhythm, creating a feedback loop of biological destruction that affects your heart, your metabolism, and your DNA repair mechanisms. Before we explore the specific stages of REM sleep and the biohacking protocols to optimize your recovery, please subscribe to Health Science 3D. Our mission is to provide you with high-fidelity medical visualizations that empower you to take control of your biology. If you are someone who survives on 4 hours of sleep, or if you have a personal history with sleep disorders, please leave a comment below and share your story. Your history could provide vital insights for someone else in our global community. Also, be sure to send this video to a friend who brags about not needing sleep. They need to understand the structural damage they are causing to their nervous system. Let us look closer at the REM stage, or rapid eye movement sleep. While deep sleep cleans the brain, REM sleep organizes it. This is the phase of emotional regulation and memory consolidation. During REM, your brain is almost as active as it is when you are awake, but your body is placed in a state of temporary paralysis to prevent you from acting out your dreams. This is where the prefrontal cortex processes the trauma and information of the day. Without sufficient REM sleep, your ability to learn new skills drops by up to 40%. Furthermore, the lack of sleep hacks into your hormonal system, suppressing leptin and increasing ghrelin, which is why sleep-deprived individuals experience intense cravings for high-calorie, inflammatory foods. The intersection of sleep and longevity is undeniable. In 2026, we now have the technology to track our sleep architecture with clinical precision. Optimizing your sleep environment involves managing the 3 pillars of recovery: light, temperature, and timing. Exposure to blue light from smartphones suppresses melatonin production for hours, effectively telling your brain it is midday when it is midnight. By using blackout curtains, maintaining a room temperature of 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and adhering to a strict sleep-wake cycle, you can maximize the efficiency of your glymphatic system. Sleep is not a luxury or a sign of weakness. It is a non-negotiable biological necessity for the survival of the human species. The data is clear. The shorter your sleep, the shorter your life. By prioritizing the biohacking of sleep, you are investing in the long-term structural integrity of your brain. Protect your neurons, honor your circadian rhythm, and use the science of rest to unlock your full cognitive potential. Understanding the internal mechanics of your recovery is the ultimate tool for a healthier, sharper, and longer life. Stay tuned to Health Science 3D as we continue to map the frontiers of human biology.